Whenever you see the frontal collision warning system malfunction message on the screen in your BMW, it means the system has been turned off by the control modules in your vehicle, since the conditions are not met for its proper work. This may sometimes mean that the problem is with the hardware, like a broken radar or issues with the front camera, but in most cases you will need to make sure that the radar and camera areas are clean. The radar location may differ from one model to another, but usually it's in the lower part of the bumper. The camera is always located in the upper central part of the windshield behind the rearview mirror in the interior, so make sure those areas are clean as new and don't have any visual damage. Even a small scratch on the windshield may eventually lead to this frontal collision warning system malfunction message. But if you have no luck with cleaning the bumper and windshield, there is just one other thing you may try. Make sure that all safety systems are activated in the settings of your car. If you've disabled something, the frontal collision warning system may have been deactivated because of this. Basically, you may try resetting everything to factory settings. If this doesn't help, there is certainly a problem with some module, connections, or wire in the vehicle. To narrow down the problem, you may use a good high-end OBD scanner or the ISTA software with a computer to read the BMW specific codes. Sometimes they will directly point to a problem or at least help you avoid buying unnecessary parts. But without such inspections, there is no chance you can guess what's wrong with the collision warning system.